Right here. Yeah.
You take movies there, Bill?
Our problem is we have a loose wire in this thing now.
Hey, Bill, don't turn it sideways.
Kind of like the English electronics company, Lucas, the Prince of Darkness.
I feel slighted.
It's usually the British that tell me about that. Okay, come on. See, it's only because it's on film now.
Of course.
Nicely done, Bill.
Yeah, I would say something. Hey, come on. Yeah, we need Randy to come in and overhaul his custom control piece for my 22 mini mag. 22 cartridge. There's something loose in there. It works somewhere.
It's in your controller then, you think, huh?
Oh yeah, I just move this and it'll stop and then you move it and then it goes. Whoa, we're getting loose here.
Drunken
Come
operator.
on. Let's go back up the other way. Gee whiz. Oh yeah. Well, it's got 4 different controls.
You're going to pick up two
Oh,
at once?
just a bit. Is it 2 there? Oh, no wonder. See if I had a spotter there, it'd be easier. Clunk. Just have to do it enough to keep
You got to
it
pull it over this way somehow or other too, don't you?
What?
Oh, it is going
Hey,
in.
he's been on logs before.
These are wired.
As long as the connection is okay, you don't
Actually, he's staying there until 6
It's so hard to see. Well, the deal is it's scratch built completely of cedar, fiberglass resin, little nuts and bolts. He made the pulleys from scratch. There's a little Delron chain drive with a motor up there, and then was it 3 motors in here, little cam motors. And he built this, and it weighs nothing. So to pick up a log, he had to put these outriggers on it just to stabilize it, and that wasn't enough. It kept pulling over, so he put a can of Schmidt beer inside the boiler, and now it works. Yeah, most people think that that's the best use for Schmidt beer.
Well, yeah, well, it is.
Yeah, really. It really is.
Good Google. Anyway, that's how they did it. But
It's cool. That is really cool.
it'd be better if it wasn't interrupted by the lurchins. I can make them lurch and jerk enough without any help. But he's got a that chain drive on there, and then the shaft. Come on, keep moving. Yeah, mule. See, it's a threaded shaft, and that wheel, the gear, is turning up and down on that shaft. So this thing can really get some torque there to pick up whatever you need. But all scratch built. Just looking at photographs, he had no plans, and obviously they don't make kits for this. The steam donkey over there, it needs a little tune-up too. It would normally,
That is so
excuse
cool.
me, I'm going to go in
And
front
he did
here.
that too.
Yeah. It's like a little dinky wheel stand. I don't know how he built this thing, but he turned this lever up and it accelerates that, and then this needs to be reattached, but when you push down on the lever, it'll pull the line up. but it's broken loose. He actually had glued it with whatever ACC, and every once in a while that has a tendency to crystallize and just drop off. So now it just needs a tune-up. This has been running on and off for 7 years here now, and this is something he built in his home. This, that, and everything in those 2 cases over there. He built the sawmill in 2 weeks. Yeah, and it's got a carriage that goes and all that fun stuff. But, oh yeah, Dennis Thompson, the guy who did that logging railroads of Skagit County in the new Climax book, came here and just stood like a zombie for at least half an hour. Because most people make models of this, but they don't work. Yeah. And the crazy stuff that he was using.
You said he's just using odds and ends.
Oh yeah. Tearing apart.
Yes.
You know?
One of his personal vehicles is a converted motorcycle, which he's turned into a three-wheeled vehicle.
Looks like an Air Force drop tank.
And,
with a motorcycle pusher. Got 2 wheels. And
Take it easy. I'm trying moving pictures here.
And then they had all those fires. Then they had the fires before. The cyclone apparently came and
blew in and then sat off the coast and just dumped. Then it moved off, and then 3 days later it came right back and sat here.